Welcome. TBox Junior is a complete proposal for preschool students to start learning technology. In this brief tour, we will show you how to access the web platform, check the teaching materials of a project, and use some applications. The first step is to use a browser such as Chrome or Firefox, preferably on a personal computer. Then, enter the address of TBox Junior. www.tboxplanet.com/junior. Click the Start Here button. Enter the username provided and click the Next button. Then, enter the password and click on Enter. The TBox Junior homepage will appear. The first step is to choose the level. In this example, we will select Step A. From the available projects, we must choose the one we want to use. Let's select Project 3. I want to be A. When choosing a project, all the elements of the platform are adjusted to display the corresponding content. What will the students learn? What activities should I do? Detailed processes are explained in the teacher's guide. Other useful tools for the teacher's work are the timeline to enable or disable projects, monitoring and evaluation section to record students' progress through a rubric, the dashboard, which allows you to have a view of the progress of TBox Junior in the school. Each project has a fully narrated story. This is an example of Cotton's story, a rabbit who is in trouble.
Maya needs help because her rabbit, Cotton, had an accident. She does not know who can help her pet, and in the search, she learns the occupations of her family members. Do you know who can help Cotton? One morning, Maya was watching her rabbit eating and suddenly heard a squeal. Maya picked up the rabbit, named Cotton, and saw that the tooth was broken. Maya did not know what to do, so she went worried inside the house and headed to the kitchen. Her dad was preparing a new recipe. She explained to him what happened to Cotton's tooth. "Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. Remember, I'm a chef and I only know how to cook."
The project also has demonstrations of several of the processes that are performed with the students. The project also has a website that presents some concepts that are explored in the activities. Here the information is also narrated.
The police are responsible for maintaining public order and security of all people in different places. Carpenters are people who work with wood to make different objects such as tables, chairs, and desks.
One of the tools included is TBox, a very simple image editor. Let's see that when clicked, this application opens in a new tab. The backgrounds and stamps vary according to the chosen project. Let's see an example of how it works. At the end, we can close the tab and return to home page. The assignments created in TBox Junior are saved in the user's account. If we choose another project, for example, Project 4, called At the Farm, we see that the tools, the story, and all the content change. In this case, Storybox is the main tool. This is our story editor that also allows you to easily program the objects. Let's quickly see how it works. We return to TBox Junior homepage. We can see that we also have a directory of websites and applications specially chosen for this educational level. What did you think of this tour? We hope you enjoy teaching technology using TBox Junior.